Always check the description box for more detailed ingredients. A lovely Valentine's Day treat. If they're too ripe, it's hard for them to hold their shape. Join the family. Like, subscribe, and share. You melt the chocolate in 15-second increments in the microwave. 15 seconds, check it, stir it. Put it back in, 15 seconds, check it, then stir it. Don't do it too much or you'll burn it. It's easiest to use a fork here. Put each banana bite on the wax paper to dry, and then little by little add each topping. We'll start with pistachios. I try to pat the toppings on the sides of the bananas as well. I love eating these at night for a treat, and for me, it's less guilt than eating ice cream. When you're ready to eat one, take it out of the freezer, wait 5 minutes, and then enjoy. I also made some for myself. I mean, who are we kidding here? Watch the video that's linked next. It also makes a great Valentine's gift.